Hey y'all, welcome to Wendy's Heavenly Dishes. Today we're making a stunning Hawaiian Mother's Day family dinner. Let's get started.
Mama got the whole house shining, love in the kitchen tonight. Oh yeah. Start with the chicken, let the guava pour. Sweet island nectar knocking at the door. Ketchup and soy sauce, vinegar too. Brown sugar, garlic, make it taste brand new. Little fire spice dancing in the air. Black pepper whisper like a mama's prayer. Whisk it all together, let it rest all night. Mama knew that patience makes the flavor right. Grill it till it's caramel glowing in the light. 6 to 8 aside till the color's just right. Let it rest, slice it slow. Guava, lemon drizzle, got the whole room gold. It's mama's recipe, oh so sweet. A spoonful of love in the island heat. Pour it all together, every memory. Mama's love keeps us together, that's the recipe. It's mama's recipe, warm and strong. Feeding every heart that's been holding on. From the rice to the cake, every soul we meet. Mama's love keeps us together.
Now let's get started creating the second part of this recipe, the lemon herb coconut chicken.
That's the recipe. Makes it feel alright. Now the lemon coconut chicken comes through. Lemon juice and zest make it bright and new. Olive oil, garlic, herbs in the bowl. Thyme and pepper turning simple into gold. Let it marinate 30 minutes or more. Up to 4 hours, let the flavor explore. Grill it, bake it, skill it till it's done. 165 and shining like the sun. Reserve a little sauce, let it simmer down. Cornstarch, make it glossy, velvet golden crown. Spoon it over chicken, spoon it over rice. Toasted coconut on top, taste paradise. Mama's recipe, oh so sweet. A spoonful of love in the island heat. Pour it all together, every memory. Mama's love keeps us together. That's the recipe. It's mama's recipe, warm and strong. Feeding every heart that's been holding on. From the rice to the cake, every soul we meet. Mama's love keeps us together. That's the recipe. Slow it down. 2 cups rice with the broth in the pot. Turmeric, garlic, onion, give it all you got. Let it cook tender, let it rest just right. Lemon zest and parsley, make it fresh and right. Salad on the side with the pineapple sweet. Bell peppers, cucumbers, color so complete. Honey lemon dressing with the tropical sway. Mama set the table like a holiday. Mac and cheese bubbling while topping on top. Panko and coconut make it hard to stop. Cheddar jack, parmesan, creamy all the way. Golden from the oven like the end of a perfect day. Mama's recipe, oh so sweet. A spoonful of love in the island heat. Pour it all together, every memory. Mama's love keeps us together. That's the recipe. That's mama's recipe, bold and true. A little taste of heaven coming right through. When the family gathers round and the blessings repeat. Mama's love keeps us together. That's the recipe. Then the Hawaiian cake comes in, so fine. Pineapple, banana, coconut combined. Little brown sugar, vanilla, so sweet. Pecans in the batter make the joy complete. Bake it till it's golden, let it cool with care. Cream cheese frosting, floating like an answer prayer. Toasted coconut, cherries, if you please. Every bite of mama's love puts the heart at ease. Pick the rice in a neat little mound. Fan the guava chicken all around. Lemon herb coconut on the other side. Back with the crunchy topping shining with pride. Keep the salad fresh, keep the drizzles light. Make it look elegant, make it look right. right. Mama didn't just cook, she made memories grow. Love on every plate is a secret we know. It's Mama's recipe, oh so sweet. A spoonful of love in the island heat. From the first marinated blessing to the final cake we eat. Mama's love keeps us together, that's the recipe. It's Mama's recipe, strong and kind. Seasoned with grace and peace of mind. Every table that she touches turns to harmony. Mama's love keeps us together, that's the recipe. Oh,
Happy Mother's Day. God bless every mother and comfort every heart missing a mother today. Have a blessed day. Bye, family.
With her heart and hands. If you enjoy this recipe, come on and sing with me. Like, comment, subscribe to Wendy's Heavenly Dishes.